Keep them coming. 20 more here. Watch the belt.
The milk is flowing smoothly.
Yes, the straining is working perfectly. The consistency is ideal.
Here in the pasteurization hall, the milk is rapidly heated and cooled through a network of pipes.
The gauges look good, consistent pressure.
And the output is very smooth. We are ready. The temperature on loop 3 is holding steady at 140 Celsius. Good, we are clear for the next batch in 5 minutes.
We are hitting the target temperature right on schedule.
Check this bottle here, it's slightly off. Got it. I'll have maintenance look at the capper alignment.
The system shows a clear pass on pallet 42. Confirmed. Moving to the next stage.
Level 3, move it right. Okay, clear. Confirmed on the manifest, Bay 8 is full.
Everything looks good on the manifest, John. You're clear for departure. Copy that. See you tomorrow.
All right, that's the organic coconut milk. Your total today is $17.50.
Okay, great. Thank you.